Hello, I'm in a 2017 Jeep Wrangler, and today I'm going to show you how to lower and raise these back seats. So from here, on either end there and here, you should see a little lever here to pull, that you can pull this forward. And then same thing with the far end. This will slide it all forward and keep pulling. You want it all the way down. And then same with the other end, which will be a nice way to extend your trunk space quite a bit. And then just reverse this process if you want to fold it back up. Just pull it up. Try this. It's kind of tricky with one hand. There we go. And then once you push it all the way back, it just locks in place. So the only way to release it again is to pull this lever again. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.